Hey there, sexy pants. Oh god. Oh my god. He did not. Oh, hello. Welcome back to my Chanel. So I'm excited but also nervous for this video because it's been about 7 years since I was last on Tinder, and I actually met my current boyfriend on Tinder, so Tinder success story. Today's video is going to be a goth versus normal Tinder experiment. This was inspired by 2 other YouTubers that I love and follow, Linzor and Catherine. And I'll leave links down to both of their videos in the description box. So what we'll be doing today is I'm going to make a goth Tinder profile and a normal Tinder profile and see which one gets more matches, more messages. So I'm going to predict that my goth Tinder profile will not get as many matches or messages as the normal one, just because Tinder is based off location, and I feel like where I am there aren't a lot of alternative people, so it's not really what guys are looking for, I would think. I'm not sure. This video is sponsored by Karma. Karma is an app and Chrome extension that ensures you never miss a price drop or a coupon code. You can click the link in the description box below to download the extension. I'm an avid online shopper myself, as you can probably guess from my videos. So this is the perfect app for me. So I was browsing the Demonia website the other day and I'd added this really cute pair of pink and black creepers to my wish list. And then Karma notified me that they were on sale for $20 off the regular price. And that is what I love about Karma. It keeps track of sale prices for you, so you don't have to constantly check on items that you want. So this is how Karma works. So you just go to your Google Chrome and you download the extension. And then once you have it installed, you can visit any of your favorite online stores and you just click the button when you see an item you'd like to save. And then once you save it, you can get notifications via email or mobile when an item you've saved goes on sale, has a coupon, or comes back in stock. You can also plan your shopping by organizing items into multiple wish lists. So for my wish list, I have 3 specific lists, and I have goth clothing, my Shein wish list, and my shoes. And those are usually the main categories I shop from, so I wanted to separate them in that way to find things quicker if I'm looking for something. Because on certain days I only feel like shopping for specific goth things, or some days I just want to look and see what's on Shein, so having them organized in this way is really helpful for me. Karma is always scanning the web for coupon codes and applies them at checkout automatically. So all you do is click the I Get Lucky button and it will automatically test every code they have in their library to see what will get you the most money off. There is also a coupon section in the app itself where you can manually search for coupons and copy and paste them as well. Now this is a special feature when you use Karma on your computer, so having the Chrome extension is a must. And when you shop from certain retail partners, you can also earn Karma Cash. So you can get Karma for free using the link down below in the description box. And now, without further ado, let's dive into this Tinder experiment. Alrighty, so I have before me 2 phones, which will be very handy for this because I want to have 2 separate profiles going at the same time. I'm so scared for the messages I'm gonna get on this. Tinder, dating, and new friends. New friends? Do you mean hookups? Make a new account, you have to put in your phone number, that's annoying. I think in the past you were able to just use your Facebook profile. So I'm going to put my real age and the same name for both of the profiles. I want to have as many similar aspects as possible to kind of even out the playing field. I want the only differentiating factor to be goth versus normal looking. And I'm going to use the name Rose for both of these profiles. Pictures. I'm going to do 5 pictures for each. This is one of my favorite photos I've ever taken. It is similar to the look I'm wearing today. I'm going to use that as the first one. Then as the second one, I'll use a full body pic. I love this green wig, it's one of my favorites. And then I'll do this one showing my natural hair and a fun rainbow look, but still goth. Then I'll do another full body pic. This one was for Killstar. And then, you know what? I feel like spicing it up a little bit. Let's put something really spooky in here. I'm going to put a more recent photo that I just took, and this is me wearing white contacts. I've been told by so many people in real life that it's really hard for them to look me in the eye when I'm wearing these. So let's see how this does on Tinder. My job, model, again, I'm gonna put the same thing for both. I'm gonna put that I live in a town a couple of towns away just because you never know. People wanna stalk me. Show me men, age preference 19 to 39, that's the default, why not? For my interests, I'm gonna put Instagram, festivals, movies, photography, and fashion because that's true. And for my bio, I'm just gonna put goth girl who loves Disney. Simple, straightforward, to the point. Alright, so that is the goth profile done. Alright, so now for the normal profile. I actually don't really have any normal looking photos of me without that much makeup on in my natural state, not wearing black clothing, so I think I'm gonna have to do a photo shoot just for this. So I'm fresh out of the shower. This feels really weird because normally I only dress up as a normal looking person for my auditions. So I'm trying to find all my audition clothes to look non-alternative. Alright, so here's the makeup look. I did a little bit of contour and I'm having to stop myself from putting any more on. I feel like this is more toned down. I don't know. I seem to have lost my frame of reference. It's all about the angle. I also didn't smile in any of my other pictures for the Goth profile, so I won't smile in these either. Why does this not look how I want it to? The struggle.
3 hours later.
I got my shots, so now I have to make my Tinder profile, but first, I'm gonna change my makeup. I'll be right back. Alright, so now that I have all of my normal photos, I'm going to put them into my new Tinder profile. So I tried to do similar poses to the ones I already had from my Goth profile. I did a little bit of retouching for this one just to remove pimples because I'm not wearing foundation. So that'll be the first one. Second one is the one with the white shirt. Then we have the blue shirt. And then the red shirt. I also changed the lipstick color of this in Photoshop. And then lastly, the pink dress. So for this profile, my name is the same, it's Rose. For some reason, it says I'm 28 on this one. I'm not quite sure how that happened. Oh well. For my About Me, I put just a girl who loves Disney, and then my passions are the same: Instagram, festivals, movies, photography, fashion, job title, model. I'm a woman, I am straight, show me men. For the same age range. Alright, so now we have our 2 profiles. They are out, they are live in the wild of Tinder. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to swipe right on the first 100 men that I come across in each profile. And then we're going to see how many matches I get out of those and how many messages I get. And I'm gonna share the messages with you guys. Honestly, the messages are the scariest part. I'm not quite sure what to expect. Alright, so now for the most tedious part, the swiping. Alright, I'm doing the Goth one first, and it's kind of interesting because I'm getting a lot of matches, which I was not expecting. Like, every time I swipe, I have to hit X because it's like, it's a match! Which is nice, but just not what I was expecting. Alright, back to swiping. Woo! That was a lot of men. Alright, first 100 done. Now for the second profile, next 100. Interesting. For the normal profile, a lot less matches. Oh, poor normal me. So now we wait. I'm going to let them go overnight to see how many matches I get in response and messages, and I will let you know what happens next.
1 day later.
Alrighty, so for Goth Me, I had 100 swipes and I got 51 matches. That was pretty good. And I also got 21 messages. And I haven't looked at the messages just yet. I want to react to them on camera for the first time. So that was Goth Me, pretty good, success rate of about half. Now let's look at Normal Me. Oh no! Normal Me. Out of 100 swipes on the first date, 10 matches. Oh my god. And 4 messages. Oh, I am not doing well as a normal person. I was not expecting this at all. I figured it would be the opposite, that I would get less messages as a goth chick. That is crazy. Literally 10 matches out of 100. That's insane. Alright, so I'm gonna do another 100 swipes for each profile and see if that helps at all. Okay, so it's been a few hours and I'm going to look at... alright, so for Goth Me, we have 105 matches out of 200. Still pretty good, still about half. And for Normal Me, we have, 56 matches. So still down, but a little bit better than it was. Alright, so obviously I can't show you guys any faces, but I will show you some of the profiles that stood out to me that were really funny, that I saw as I was scrolling through. This one, Luke, 36, has a beautiful picture of a bouquet of toilet paper rolls. I appreciate that. Luke's funny. He says, pros, fully vaccinated, cons, just about everything else. Oh. Also interesting to note, one guy reached out to me on Instagram rather than on Tinder. I guess he noticed that all of my pictures were watermarked at Vessel of Blood. Very clever. And he wrote me and said, marry me, with 4 exclamation points. Mommy would be very upset, but I don't care. Oh, this is another one that stood out to me. Rick, 29. Bears. Beats. Battlestar Galactica. Love that reference. One of my absolute favorite shows. Alright, so one thing I noticed, which was a new feature for Tinder, is that on some of the swipes when I got a match, they also sent messages, which I thought was really cool. So for this one, for example, this guy's name is Dylan, and when I matched with him, a little message popped up on the screen that says, "And I'm a boy who loves goths." Oh, that's so cute. I was surprised by how nice these messages were. This one, his name is Nick. He said, "Your looking is amazing." Not so great on the grammar there, Nick. What Powerpuff Girl could be substituted for a Ninja Turtle and still maintain the same group dynamic? That is an excellent question, very thought-provoking. Alright, so for the moment we've all been waiting for. The messages. I'm going to look on Goth Me's profile first. From Patrick. So like, are you busy or something? Wow. That's a great opener there, Patrick. I mean, his first picture is also him shirtless, in a bathroom, taking a mirror selfie, so it about adds up. You have such gorgeous eyes. What's your favorite Disney movie? He sent me a little baby Yoda gif. It's so cute. It says, "Hello there." Hey Rose, how are you doing tonight? Baby Yoda makes me feel happy, so that was a good one. Good choice, Matthew. Then we have Johnny, goth girl who loves Disney. So what is your favorite Pixar movie? And then we have Andre, hey, with 4 E's. Classic. How could I not respond to that? Thomas, who is the gothest Disney character? I love that question, but there isn't really a goth Disney character, which is why Disney needs to hire me. Clearly. Oh, this is Dylan that I talked about earlier. He said, "And I'm a boy who loves goths," and then he also said, "Hey!" Exclamation point. He's excited to see me. I was hoping I would match with you. My name's Travis. What's your favorite Disney movie? Oh, I love that they actually read my bio and they're asking me about Disney. And this is Nick, who also sent me a message when we first matched. She said, "Hello there. Your eyes are pretty AF. What are you looking forward to most now that things are opening?" That's a great question. Good job, Nick. Ooh, I like this question from Max. Can you recommend something good for me to watch on Disney Plus? LOL. Yes. WandaVision. That is my favorite Marvel show so far. Rolfie, getting bilingual here, says, "Hola. Hola, ¿cómo está? Muy bien, gracias. ¿Y tú?" I love your energy. Not a lot of people understand this path. And what path might that be, Sean? I need you to elaborate. What path? I don't understand. The path of life? The goth path? I don't know. Oh, this is cute. Chris says, "Let's do goth stuff together. You're vibrant even in black. You know that? Sup, traveler." I didn't know I was a traveler, but cool. Thanks. Oh, I recognize this guy. Wait. Okay, so this guy's name is Matt, and he matched with both of my accounts. I remember seeing his profile picture before. He says, "Whoa, now hold on. Haha. Did I just match with both of your accounts? Looks like one normie and one goth. The first one to notice." Yes, Matt. Yes, you did. Hey, Rose, I absolutely love your style. If you had to pick out one thing about the goth aesthetic that you love the most, what would it be? That's a great question. God, yes. What's good? I'm a sucker for you goth chicks, LOL. With 4 L's. Nice Beetlejuice look in your last pic. Ayy. I was just rewatching it last night. Huh. Rose, today has got to be my lucky day. I ran out to play the lotto, but I think I already hit the jackpot. That's cute. I have not been hit with a cheesy pickup line in a while, so I appreciate the effort, Jason. Alright, I think that is all of the messages I got. I am shocked there was not a single weird or negative one. Alright, so on to the normal profile. Let's see what messages I got there. I got a few. First message is from Patrick. Oh, he was actually the first one to match with me on both my profiles. So the first one he said, so like, "Are you busy or something?" And the second he said, "Upload 1 mirror selfie, then I match with a model." What? Also, why did Goth Me get the rude message and regular me gets this weird? I don't understand. No, Patrick, no thank you. Alright, this is weird because this guy's name is my ex's name. Feels weird, man. Good morning. What's up, Rose? How are you? It's Steve Carell from The Office poking his head out of the door. Oh my god, that's hilarious. Hey there, sexy pants. Oh god. That is a pet name I do not ever want to be called. Daniel, hi Rose, which Disney princess do you most identify with? Belle, for sure. A relationship should be 50-50. True. You love Disney and I'll pay for Disney Plus until I can take you to Disney World? That's so sweet. Also, I don't know why this happened. Tinder says we've detected potentially inappropriate language. Do any of the messages above bother you? What? There's nothing bad about anything that he said. That's so weird. It's nice that they have stuff like that in Tinder though, because I remember getting a lot of really bad messages when I was younger. Oh my god. He did not. We have my first scandalous message and it was on my normal profile. This guy says, "I'd love to see what you have under that dress." What the fuck? No sir, you will never see what I have under this dress because it's none of your business. Who starts with that? Oh my god. Hi, I'm Liam, but you can call me babe. Super hot photos. I live a block away from the Disney store in New York City. That's awesome. Rose. Oh, he sent little rose emoji. That's cute. How was your day? That's sweet. Hey cutie, nice pics. Thanks. Oh no! Ugh. How would you feel if I serenaded you with A Whole New World, both the Aladdin and Jasmine parts, followed by giving you the best head of your life? Oh god, stop after the Aladdin and Jasmine, dude, no. So I got more scandalous messages on my normal profile. Who would have guessed? Not me. Fascinating stuff. Not what I expected. Also gave me quite the ego boost. I feel really good that Goth me did better than normal me. And I'm sure a lot of you out there in committed relationships can relate, but after a while you kind of start to question, like, am I still attractive? I'm getting older, you know, I've been with the same person and I know they love me, but, you know, do other people find me attractive? So this was a nice little ego boost. And obviously I'm not gonna respond to any of these guys because I have a boyfriend. So I hope you guys enjoyed coming along on this experiment with me. I had a lot of fun. So don't forget to download Karma to help you with all of your online shopping. And I hope you're having a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!